Retirement planning often focuses solely on finances, but true retirement readiness encompasses much more. The 4 pillars of retirement framework recognizes this holistic approach, emphasizing that a fulfilling retirement hinges on 4 key areas. Most retirees recognize the importance of all 4 pillars for a fulfilling retirement. However, a significant portion regret not adequately planning for the non-financial aspects of their retirement. Let's delve into the 4 pillars right away. 1. Financial security. Most retirees prioritize financial security and the freedom to live their desired lifestyle over simply accumulating wealth. Notably, over half of retirees regret not budgeting more effectively for unexpected expenses. This is the most discussed pillar, encompassing the following: savings and investments. Building a robust retirement portfolio through strategies like 401ks, IRAs, and other investment vehicles. Common investment vehicles include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds (ETF), and real estate. Debt management. Minimizing or eliminating high-interest debt to free up more resources for retirement savings. Social security. Understanding Social Security benefits and optimizing your claiming strategy. Estate planning. Ensuring your assets are distributed according to your wishes and minimizing estate taxes. Remember to hit subscribe for weekly wealth creation tips. 2. Physical and mental health. Healthcare and long-term care costs consistently top the list of financial worries for both retirees and pre-retirees between May 2020 and March 2021. Notably, 58% of retirees and 66% of pre-retirees cited these costs as a major concern in March 2021. This anxiety is justified, considering the average couple requires an estimated $456,000 to cover healthcare and long-term care expenses throughout their retirement. Maintaining good health is crucial for enjoying retirement. This pillar centers around the following aspects: healthy lifestyle, prioritizing exercise, nutrition, and preventive care, managing chronic conditions, developing strategies to manage any existing health conditions, mental well-being, cultivating healthy coping mechanisms for stress and addressing mental health concerns. Long-term care planning. Considering potential needs for long-term care and exploring options like long-term care insurance. 3. Purpose and meaning. Retirees who find purpose in their lives, often through spending time with loved ones or pursuing personal growth, experience greater happiness, improved health, and increased longevity. However, despite having more than 7 hours of free time daily, 1 in 3 retirees struggles to find meaning in their retirement. Finding purpose and meaning in retirement is essential for overall well-being. This pillar encompasses the following elements: pursuing passions, engaging in hobbies, volunteering, or learning new skills, maintaining social connections, staying connected with family, friends, and community, giving back, contributing to causes you care about, developing new interests, exploring new hobbies and activities to keep your mind and body active. 4. Family and relationships. Family plays a pivotal role in retirees' lives, providing satisfaction, support, and a strong sense of purpose. However, concerns about becoming a burden on their families, particularly due to health issues, often weigh heavily on retirees. Despite these concerns, many are willing to prioritize supporting their families financially, even if it poses a risk to their own financial security. Strong relationships are vital for a fulfilling retirement. The key components of this pillar are as follows: nurturing family ties, spending quality time with loved ones and building strong family bonds, maintaining social connections, staying connected with friends and building new friendships, supporting loved ones, providing emotional and practical support to family and friends, building a supportive network, cultivating a network of friends, family, and community members for emotional and practical support. By addressing these 4 pillars comprehensively, you can create a well-rounded retirement plan that supports your overall well-being and ensures a fulfilling and enjoyable retirement experience. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips. Bye.